Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope we're having a great day. This is your Grandpa KC, and today we have the do-yourself replacement module. As you know, if you own a Roomba, you have to do particular maintenance to it, replacing the brushes and such. I've ordered the maintenance kit, and today we're going to be installing it. Now the first one you're going to have to replace is this brush right here, your edge brush, and you do that by removing this screw that's right here. Once you've removed the screw, you'll be able to take the brush off. Very simple to do. In fact, the entire maintenance is very simple. But if you don't take care of it, do the maintenance on the unit, unfortunately, it's not going to pick up and not going to take care of. Now the maintenance kit not only includes the brushes, right, and everything else, but these wear out quite a bit. And these are your edge brushes, and they bring, and when the Roomba's going around the edges, if you can see the difference, this one's pretty much shot. Now before you put everything back, you want to get underneath here and take all the schmutz out of here. By the way, if you can't tell, I grew up in New York. Popped it in. Basically, as you can see, you'll unscrew the old one and rescrew using a Phillips screwdriver or a straight edge. They put both on this screw head. Just make sure that you give it a good tightening. It can appear to be in, but it's not. We can see that. Now the next thing you'll be doing is remove the waste tray. We'll get back to that in a second. Put that on the side for now. You can open the brush assembly by using the two knobs right here. And this will allow you to take and open the assembly. Now you can see these brushes have been in here a while. And basically you're just going to lift them out one by one. Now if we compare them to the new ones, I don't know if you can see it. The new ones are, you can see how worn out these brushes are. And your rubber assembly. And just remove any schmutz again that's in there. Now you can't make a mistake because it'll only go in one way. But it'd be a little tricky sometimes to put it in there. Now it will take a little bit of finagling to get it in there, but once it is, you just will drop this in place. And there's the same thing on this one. You'll find this small block in here, and you're going to put that back in exactly the same hole. There it goes. And once you've done that, you close that back up and you are done here. Now the last part of maintenance, of course, as we know, is the garbage tray or receiving tray. Now these kits come with a brush and a way to clean these out. So as part of your maintenance, don't throw these away, because these are you obviously can get in here and clean and get out anything that's gotten caught in here, or you could put the brush through it and pull out anything that's getting wrapped around or connected, as you probably already experienced that. Now obviously I had just run this before I decided to clean it. So we have to replace this filter. As you can see, this is the replacement filter. Now, this requires maintenance and cleaning every time you use the unit. And the way you do that is you'll bang this against the garbage pail. That will remove any dust. But most importantly, every time you use it, just go in here and scrape the insides. That will loosen any dirt on the outside before, because you need to replace this filter once every approximately 3 months, they recommend. We'll take the new one, put it in place. This kit comes with 3 filters. So the ideal is that you replace this filter once every 3 to 6 months, depending upon your usage. And the brushes are replaced at the end of that cycle. So once you've used up all your filters, the brushes also will be worn out. There's our new clean filter. And slide that in. You can see, as you can see, this project is not really that hard to do, but requires it. So if your Roomba is not cleaning or not picking up stuff, the most likely cause is that the filter is either clogged or these brushes are worn out or you've got something stuck in here. You can see the new one's in place. Basically took it out, cleaned, and replaced it. Again, like I said, you need to replace. The ideal is that the filter needs to be cleaned every time you empty it, on the average. But once every 3 months, you should replace this filter, depending upon the manufacturer's specifications. And then once you've replaced this filter three times, then you want to replace your brushes and your beater and your edger. That's basically it. Now I can go send her to go clean the room. Hey, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm always doing DIY product reviews and all kinds of information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, hit the little bell button. You know when I'm putting out another video. And I'm glad to have you with us. Grandpa always loves to see your comments about, was it helpful to you? Did we were able to find the information? And don't forget to check out the Amazon link where you can find the brush kit. And don't forget to use that link, because that's how we support the channel. Thanks for now. Don't forget to check out my next video, which is what happens when your Roomba is not charging.